In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Google reCAPTCHA on your Shopify store. Understanding how to manage this feature is crucial for maintaining the security and smooth operation of your online business. Google reCAPTCHA is a useful tool that helps prevent spam and automated bots from accessing your store's key areas, like contact forms and login pages. Let's jump right into it, ensuring that your store is both secure and user-friendly. First, navigate to your Shopify admin panel, the hub where you control all aspects of your online store. Once there, take a look at the navigation menu. You'll see a variety of options, but our focus today will be on the section labeled Online Store. Click on that, and you'll be presented with more choices. Among these options, look for the one called Preferences and select it. This section is essential, as it allows you to customize various settings that affect your store's public-facing side. Once you've opened the Preferences page, your attention should be drawn to the Spam Protection section. This is where you can decide how and where reCAPTCHA is applied within your store. You'll notice that under Spam Protection, there are two main settings you can adjust. The first is Enable on Contact and Comment Forms, and the second is Enable on Login, Create Account, and Password Recovery pages. These settings are crucial as they directly relate to the points where customers usually interact with your site. Now, you have the flexibility to either enable or disable reCAPTCHA on these different areas depending on your store's needs. If you decide that you want to disable it, maybe because you're experiencing issues with customers struggling to get past the reCAPTCHA challenges, or to simplify the user experience, you can simply turn these off. Remember, though, that keeping the reCAPTCHA enabled can help in reducing spam and keeping your website secure from bots. So weigh the pros and cons based on your store's specific requirements. Once you've made the desired adjustments to the reCAPTCHA settings, it's crucial to save your changes. You'll typically find a Save button either at the top or bottom of the page. Click this to ensure your settings are updated. By doing so, you're making certain that any new preference you set regarding the reCAPTCHA is applied, maintaining your store's integrity and improving the customer experience. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to enable or disable Google reCAPTCHA on your Shopify store. Continuously monitor your customer interactions and adjust these settings as needed to find the right balance between user-friendliness and security. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check back soon for more useful tips and tutorials.